learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Most of the residents in the Hexing village in Dongshi, Taichung, have the surname Chun. However, one villa bears a unique nameplate, the Shiying Tang House. This particular home got its name from combining the given names from two children of the Lin and Chun households. According to their family history, after the elder Lins passed away, the Chuns adopted the Lin's son, becoming godbrothers with the Chun's own son. In gratitude, he took the Chun surname in life, only reverting to the Lin family name after death. This tradition still continues to this day.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another edition of Talk About Hakka on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我是阿斌哥 Leo。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this whole month, you're going to find out more about not just Taichung, but an area known as 东市区。
董思琪。
董思琪 ，OK。
今天要去的这个地方哈，其实它有个历史故事。
OK, historic.
董思琪哈有一个叫核心庄的一个地方哈，这边大部分都姓陈。那客家人的堂号来说，陈应该是颍川堂，可是这边的堂号却是挂西颍堂。
So normally people with the surname Chen would have a house called Yingchuan, but in this case, it's not. It's Xi Yingchuan. I wonder why. 对，为什么？
有一个姓陈的跟姓林的结成了异姓的兄弟。
OK， 结拜兄弟。
对，结拜兄弟，没错。后来呢，林家发生事故之后呢，陈家就收养他们的孩子当的干儿子，
是。
后来还把家业传给他们。
哇哦！
所以呢，这个被养大的小孩呢，感念他的养育之恩呐。
是。
所以他们就立了一个家规。就是活着的时候姓陈，那过世之后呢，才能姓林的这个家规。而且他们把堂号合并起来，叫做西颍堂、西颍堂。
Oh, there you go. So this is a historic story about brotherhood, about Chen and Lin. These are two different families. They're really tight friends and brothers, of course. But when Lin passed away, Chen decided to raise his kids for him. And even when he passed away, the kids inherited all his property and fortune as well. So in order to thank him, they have decided to name the houses. Instead of Yingchuan, it becomes Xi Yingtang. All right, let's review this place. It's called Xi Yingtang.
西颍堂
Xi Yingtang, and there's a beautiful story about raising another family's kids. 养育怎么说？
拥有
拥有 that is to raise, all right? And when you have time, really check it out. It's in Taichung. So there you go. That does for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.